Look, Google just dropped something that's about to change how millions of people make money with AI, and if you're not paying attention right now, you're leaving cash on the table. They released Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite, and get this, it costs 1/8 the price of their Pro model while being faster than anything on the market. We're talking about a tool that's about to unlock serious income streams for creators, developers, and entrepreneurs who move fast. Here's why this matters to your wallet. Every single second an AI takes to respond costs money and loses customers. Flash Lite is engineered specifically to eliminate that lag. It's producing responses 2.5 times faster than the previous generation, with output speeds hitting 363 tokens per second. That's not just speed, that's money in your pocket, because faster means you can serve more customers in less time without burning through your API budget. But here is the part that will really blow your mind. The pricing structure is absolutely insane. At just 25 cents per million input tokens and $1.50 per million output tokens, this thing is cheaper to run than most competitors. When you stack it against Gemini Pro for high-volume work, Flash Lite becomes 12 to 16 times cheaper. This is the difference between a side hustle and a full-time income stream. Now, if you're a content creator or YouTuber, here's exactly how you profit right now. You can build AI-powered content automation tools and sell them. Think about it. Video scriptwriters, thumbnail describers, automated video editors, real-time translation services. One YouTuber could build a tool that auto-generates, transcribes, and tags their videos using Flash Lite at pennies per video. Then license that tool to other creators at $50 to $200 a month per user. With Flash Lite speed, you're handling hundreds of videos daily on a single subscription. That's pure margin. Or build an AI customer service layer. Restaurants, e-commerce shops, local services, they're desperate for instant chatbots that don't sound like robots and don't drain their budget. Flash Lite handles this at scale. You charge them monthly, pocket 90% of the savings they're getting on customer service labor. Real numbers here. One creator could service 50 small businesses at $150 monthly just handling their customer questions. That's $7,500 recurring revenue with zero inventory. The thinking levels feature matters too. You can dial down reasoning for simple tasks. Dial it up for complex ones. That means you're paying basement-level prices for repetitive work while keeping the heavy reasoning for when it actually matters. It's like having an on-demand workforce that costs almost nothing. Google positioned Flash Lite as intelligence at scale, and that's exactly what makes it money. It's not the smartest model, that's Pro. It's the fastest, most efficient one. And in business, efficiency is profit. So here's my question for you. Are you going to keep using expensive AI models for every task, or are you going to get smart and build your income around this cost structure? Subscribe to Payday AI right now because every single day we're dropping new ways to make real money using AI tools like this. Don't miss the next opportunity to level up your income.